EasyLift equipment's empty drum stacker was designed to double or triple stack empty 55-gallon steel drums into trailers, while also helping to eliminate injuries associated with manually handling and lifting drums. The empty drum stacker has a tall single-stage mast with DC-powered lift and gravity down functions by means of a switch on top of the DC cabinet. The outer mast has several closely spaced adjustment pin settings, offering increased flexibility of the clamping mechanism for various drum heights. Before using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines and fittings to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor prior to beginning. Using the master disconnect switch, turn the unit on. Before proceeding, you should verify that all functions are in proper working order. The controls for lifting and lowering the clamp are located on the top of the DC cabinet for easy accessibility to the operator. Once testing is complete, disengage the foot floor lock and begin application. Push the empty drum stacker tightly against the drum you would like to stack. Ensure that the lower clamping jaw is below the drum's chime. Press the up switch. First, the lower clamping jaw will engage with the chime of the drum. Then, the weight of the empty drum will activate the mechanism, causing the upper jaw to clamp down on the chime, securing the drum for transport. This stacker is easy to use and due to its 20-inch overall width can place drums tightly against the side walls of trailers without coming into contact with either wall. The EasyLift empty drum stacker single-stage design rests at 94.5 inches high in the lowered position and up to 108.5 inches in the fully elevated position. This equipment is designed to use in 106-inch high trailers. Dark or ergonomic casters allow the operator to easily maneuver the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. Standard models are steel construction with safety yellow powder coating for durability. Optional FDA-approved metallic gray powder coating is also available for food and pharmaceutical applications. This includes food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant chains. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance while transporting the drum to its destination. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. Rate of descent is controlled by the flow control valve. Without a load, the clamp will lower at a slower rate. The flow control valve is to control the speed of lowering with a drum, which is factory preset and should not be adjusted without first consulting EasyLift equipment. Creating and maintaining a safe working environment should be the primary focus of all operations. Having the proper drum handling equipment in place is critical in achieving that objective. Outdated manual drum handling methods increase the risk of employee fatigue and work-related accidents. Our EasyLift empty drum stacker helps decrease work-related injuries and costs associated with workers' compensation claims. When operation is complete or you plan to step away from the equipment, always engage the step-down floor lock. Our ergonomic step-down foot floor lock is easy to engage or release and acts as a parking brake when the empty drum stacker is not in use. Leaving the empty drum stacker unsecured may allow it to move inadvertently and cause property damage or personal injury. To charge, first ensure the empty drum stacker is turned off. Then plug in a polarized heavy-gauge extension cord. The EasyLift empty drum stacker features our DC-powered lift system, which includes two 12-volt AGM deep cycle batteries housed in a cabinet with a hydraulic lift motor, internal charger, master disconnect switch, and gauge-type battery discharge indicator. The internal charger uses a standard 120-volt outlet on the side of the DC cabinet. A polarized heavy-gauge extension cord is required, which connects the unit to a wall outlet. Do not operate the unit while charging or with the extension cord plugged in. Doing so can cause damage to the unit. The charger has separate indicators for each battery which turn green once complete to ensure a full charge. Charging times range between 6 and 8 hours. Once charged, unplug the extension cord and turn the unit on. On a complete charge, the empty drum stacker is capable of lifting and stacking several hundred drums between charges. The clamping head is adjustable to handle a variety of drum heights. This consists of simply removing a circle cotter pin and a stainless steel retaining pin and raising or lowering the clamp position on the mast accordingly. Once adjusted, reinsert the stainless steel retaining pin and circle cotter pin to secure the clamping head into place. When finished, place the empty drum stacker in a safe location and lower the clamp. Be sure to always engage the step-down foot floor lock and turn the unit off prior to walking away from the equipment. We offer a 30-day free trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.